All right, no more fluffing this couch. No, she's probably thinking like, damn, I can't believe someone took my junk away and they paid me. Yeah, dude. Customer sent me the full balance, which was $16.50. Went ahead and purchased the couch. Got it for $300. Made a post on Facebook Marketplace. I'm gonna go ahead and screen record my phone. I'll put it up here and show you guys how, because it's officially sold. For example, you can add delivery fees. You can add on different fees to be able to bring up your profit on it. But what's going on, everybody? Brian here. Got another video for you guys. Actually, today we're going to be sharing an opportunity that you guys can easily duplicate as well. We've bought this couch multiple times in the past when we first started, and we were selling them between $1,000 to $1,500. So today, that's what we're going to be doing. We're going to be heading out to LA, picking up this couch, and then we'll show you guys the entire process from start to finish. All right, we're near our destination to pick up this West Elm. Hello.
Yeah, I thought I had like exactly. Alright.
So, as you guys saw, we went ahead and purchased the couch. Got it for $300. Are these part of it?
No.
Oh, okay. All right. If you want to just put it here on the curb, so that it is, dude. Forgot how heavy these West Elms are. Content, dude, content. Last piece. Sure, bro? Like a wing, bro. No. Got the camera. So yeah, I got this loaded up. As you guys saw, we picked it up for only $300. It's a really nice couch. Show you guys how we sell it for. My guess right now, with how it's looking, between $1,200 to $1,300. Confident. No, that's a really good couch. It's funny because some of these sellers, like, they really just don't care. They value more someone coming in and just taking it away than the value of the couch itself. Because, man.
She's probably thinking like, damn, did I undersell it?
No, she's probably thinking like, damn, I can't believe someone took my junk away and they paid me. Yeah, dude, that's probably what she's thinking. All right, just getting back to the warehouse. The guys are currently getting the couch cleaned up and ready. Well, let me show you guys how that's looking so far. Here it is. Guys working on it. And it's looking really good. It's looking really good. So that $300 West Elm that we picked up is now ready to be sold. Let me go ahead and show you guys how it's looking. Some lighting and how nice it actually looks. Alright, so that's how it's looking right now. As you guys can see, it's looking really nice. Practically looks new, in my opinion. Look at the fabric. That's why these are actually very expensive. It holds up rather well. We got all the dog hair out. We got the smell out. It doesn't smell like a brand new furniture, but it does smell like it's been cleaned and sanitized. So the next owner of this couch should be pretty happy with it. Again, it's a West Elm. It's in really, really good condition. Very beautiful color. It's a beige. All right, so that's it. That's the West Elm that we picked up. Hopefully, I'm gonna have it listed today. I want $1,500 for it, but I don't know if we're gonna get that. But we're gonna probably list it right now for $1,600. I'll see how that works. I'm gonna list it a little bit higher than what I would want for it, and then in case I negotiate, I can lower it. But there's other ways to actually play with the pricing and still get a pretty good profit. For example, you can add delivery fees. You can add on different fees to be able to bring up your profit on it, but it also depends on the quality of the couch, where you're actually gonna be delivering it, how hard or how much work it's gonna take for you to complete the delivery. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and, again, list this, take some photos, put it on Facebook, and then I'll probably show you guys how that looks as well. All right, so if you guys have never made a post on Facebook Marketplace, I'm gonna go ahead and screen record my phone. I'll put it up here and show you guys how we make a post for Facebook Marketplace. So once you go into Marketplace, you go to sell, you create a new listing, one item, and then here you just add on the photos. So the photos that we took from earlier, and then for the video, we have this video that we took of it earlier. Change the audio, controls, remove the actual volume, and then we'll just hit done. Next, from here, I created a note where I have a template of what I use. So select all, copy, go back to my listing, paste it. From here I just update it. So this is a item name. It's a 3-piece. And that should be it. This is use like new. Copy this portion, put in the title. Again, I'm gonna put it at 1650. Just in case someone wants to lowball or offer a little bit lower, at least I can negotiate it with it. Hit next, and then from there, publish. And it's that simple. Once you got that up, just go ahead and click on the listing, hit boost listing, and then from here you just put a dollar amount that you wish to spend. I'll say, well, today's Friday and I want to boost it till the end of Sunday, so let's go for $10 for the next 2 days. So this will end Sunday. I'm pretty confident it's going to sell by then, so promote now. Once that's done, I just wait for inquiries and then hopefully be able to get this couch sold by tomorrow or Sunday. We picked it up yesterday, which was Thursday, cleaned it up, listed it today, which is Friday, and hopefully it'll be sold by tomorrow, if not Sunday. So let's keep it going. All right, no more fluffing this couch. So normally every time we sell couches or every time someone comes in and wants to see a couch, we have to fluff it up, right? Fluff it up, make it look nice. But for this West Elm, thankfully, that's the last time I'm gonna have to fluff it up because it's officially sold. I was hoping to get it sold over the weekend, but unfortunately, we left a little bit early. We weren't really getting any inquiries until yesterday evening. Someone sent us a message on Facebook asking about the condition of the couch and if they can have it delivered. I'll go ahead and put a screenshot of our conversation. It went very smoothly. It went rather fast. I'm not necessarily surprised because the higher dollar value when you're selling couches, especially like if it's branded couches, the type of customers that inquire are a lot easier to deal with. This one being a perfect example. So anyway, customer just inquired. I moved them to text messages. I asked for his address. The customer came back to his address and then I replied with, is 1 o'clock delivery time okay? He said it's fine for today. Then I asked for a deposit. So the moment I asked for a deposit, instead of just sending a deposit, the customer sent me the full balance, which was $16.50. So yeah, again, this couch is sold. We're looking to pick up another couch today that we're gonna try to document and show you guys how we flip them. Again, we're gonna just keep duplicating this, showing you guys that it's very doable. If you guys wanna learn to do the same, definitely check out the links below and get some information. It's completely for free, currently not charging anything for it. So take advantage of it, get some information, and then be able to put some of this into action for you guys to try to make some money. All right, see you guys next time.